Haka Jingkitkhlieh ya kasngi kilat Pathai Khubor hakari India bro kawai ka Shillong Press Club Ryngkat ka Meghalaya Editors and Publisher Association mepa Ryngkat ka jitelang katnat Information and Public Relations IPR ka sarkar jila ka khanriu tarik nai wieng arajar pusaw kalaraki ya kani kasngi Ryngkat ka phangpreng Changing Nature of the Press State Convention Center. Hakani kasngi lawan mani simenta do mentirang ba ka jelaw konrad ki sangma kumukongsan Ryngkat ka jidonlang Vijay Kumar Mantri, IAS Commissioner and Secretary ka DIPR, UMS Sangma Director Katnan, Uba Demaya El Sengsai President ka Shillong Press Club, Uba RM Shabong President ka MEPA, Kidkhot ka Executive Committee ka Shillong Press Club ki Nongtho Khubor Nalor Kiwei. Nagaliang mintirang ba ka jala ba jingkran nakani kasngi ula pentib nagaliang ka sarkar jala kan kentiu no shen ya ki Jingïarap pisa sigilat Pathai Khubor habaja ki jingja basngusi kapang kasitom bat nalor kani on thaw ya committee ka ban pentulun ya kamang pisa ka balabha ka sarkar uloong bay ka committee on clear do commissioner and secretary ka DIPR kanang ban pinsuk ikikam ki bay day hapring ka sarkar jala bat ki nongtho Khubor dak ba ongru on mang live san lak na ka banta kani ka committee
We need to support our journalists as well. And therefore, coming to my next point, that I'm happy that on an occasion like this, a few things I would like to share that we have come and decided on is that we had basically certain schemes where we were supporting journalists from the government of Meghalaya. There was a scheme in 2009 which had come out, and I will just read them out. So the scheme was, one scheme there was for the family of deceased journalist. We used to give 1 lakh to the family of a deceased journalist. We have decided, and I'm happy to announce that we are increasing that from 1 lakh to 5 lakhs. So 5 lakhs will be provided to the family under extreme hardship on account of the death of the journalist. We were giving 50,000 to journalists who suffer permanent disability. We have increased that amount, and now we have increased it to 3 lakhs. From 50,000, we're increasing that to 3 lakhs. So 3 lakhs will be provided to the journalists in case of permanent disability, rendering the journalists incapable of earning a livelihood. There was also an amount of 50,000 to journalists in case of extreme hardship due to illness. We have also decided that we will increase that amount from 50,000 to now 3 lakhs to be provided for treatments for different major ailments. So these are 3 important supports that the government was giving. So we have simply decided to enhance them. Another very important aspect which we are working on is we want to create some kind of a system where we are able to coordinate with the press and the journalists and the DIPR, and hence we'll be forming a small committee. This is Sarkari, of course, but we are forming a committee. But you'll be happy to know why we're forming this committee. So this committee is being formed, and whoever the senior most bureaucrat, that means the commissioner secretary or principal secretary, will chair this, and of course director and other officials from the government will be there, and we will have 2 to 4 members, we are still working on it, from the press and from the media who will be members in this committee. And this will facilitate the entire process of the coordination between the press and the government, which, as we know, was missing in some way, and small things were not happening because this kind of coordination was not there. So I'm sure that this committee will be very, very useful, and this committee is being formed. But more importantly, apart from the coordination that you will be doing, I have also decided that we will be putting a corpus of 35 lakhs in this particular committee. Now, and we will keep topping it up as and when the money is going down or whatever it is. We'll figure out the system, but immediately we'll be giving 35 lakhs to this committee, and most probably we will, because it hasn't come to the cabinet note yet to us, we will be most probably making this into an annual affair, but let the cabinet approve it. The idea and the purpose of this being that apart from the ailment, apart from the disability or any kind of situation that journalists may face, we also realize that there are other needs, especially, for example, post-retirement and other kind of benefits or other extreme situations. So this fund that we are keeping it of 35 lakhs, which will be with this committee, where 4 members from the press will be part of this committee to decide how this money should be used. That you can use this money, say, for post-retirement, if you wish to support journalists who are in need from post-retirement support, or if there is any kind of situation which requires, again, funds to be used. This committee will be completely empowered to independently decide on how and this money should be used for whatever welfare purpose of the press fraternity. So I can prepare a proper SOP and a proper mechanism on how you will use it, or what the procedure of using it. I mean, the purpose can be flexible, but the method and the areas which is to be spent on. Suddenly we find that, there's a foreign tour being made by the journalists. We need 35 lakhs, of course. So we'll not. So it should be meant for social aspect, for the welfare aspect, and for the support aspect of the journalist.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.